guys, welcome back to Teen Beauty Bible. It's Kasper, and last time we talked about moisturizing our skin in a very detailed manner. Also, thank you so much for loving our tips and greeting our teen guests with a warm welcome. Well, today we are here with an even more exciting episode and another special teen guest. We had so many requests from you guys to do a routine video step by step since some of you are just getting into skincare. There are so many different skin types, but today we have created a routine that works perfectly for combination skin. So any of you with combination skincare along with us tonight. Even if you don't have combination skin, this routine will work for you in different seasons or different skin conditions. So let's introduce our teen guest today. Say hi!
Hello everyone, whoever's watching. My name is Iris and I'm a 16-year-old singer-songwriter currently based in Korea. I was born in Canada and I was raised there, so I am fluent in English, and I'm so happy to be a part of Teen Beauty Bible today. I am combination skin, and it's very hard. All the combination skins out there, you guys will know, it's very hard to take care of. I don't usually have breakouts all the time. I'm not like an acne type skin, but because I'm a singer and I put on a lot of makeup, I sometimes, time to time, get a little zits and like pimples, so it's very hard to take care of them too. So I have different routines for morning and night, but in the morning, I think it's important to keep my skin as dry and moisturized at the same time because, I get oily in some parts and I get really dry in some parts. Well, it's important to stay hydrated throughout the day, but because I get dry and oily, I want to find a way to keep my skin locked and moisturized without using thick layers of moisturizers so my face won't break down during the day. From now on, I'm going to show you guys how I prepare my skin in the morning. For cleansing, I like to use cleansing foam only on my T-zone. And for that, it's gonna wash away the oil on your oily parts while still grasping to the oil residue in your dry parts.
Great tip, Iris! Good job! She's already doing such a good job in cleansing in the morning. When it comes to morning cleansing, guys, no matter what skin type you have, it is very important to keep everything gentle. We don't want to be stripping our face for moisture or making it sensitive because in the morning we want our skin to be hydrated without any dry spots. But at the same time, it is important to remove the waste that has built up on our face throughout the night. But guys, never over cleanse unless you accidentally fell asleep with makeup the night before. So then the question is, how can we make cleansing gentle? There are different ways to make cleansing gentle, but the first thing you can do is start off with a gentle formula. Gel is definitely a great texture to cleanse in the morning with. And if it's low pH as well, the merrier. Rather than applying the gel directly onto your skin, foam it up in your hands and lather it up before and then work it into your skin. And like Iris mentioned, focus on the T-zone area or areas you get oilier while cleansing. A great tip for gentle cleansing is to use the tip of your fingers or your fourth finger while cleansing, like massaging almost. Rather than rubbing harshly, this will help with gentle morning cleansing, guys.
For toner, I like to put the toner on a cotton pad and wipe away my skin. This cleanses the skin second times, so 2 times, so my oils get really dry. So, that kind of helps with, again, moisturizing the drier parts while wiping away the oil, so it's going to take care of your combination skin. I like to stick with alcohol-free toners to prevent more damage on my skin.
Again, good job, Iris. 너무 잘했어요. Toner step is what really gets your skin ready for the next step of skincare and also balances your pH level. A tip with toner is that you could actually replace it for cleansing using a cotton pad and wiping away the dirt and dead skin cells when your skin feels sensitive. If you soak up cotton pads and wipe away gently, this will act as a similar effect as cleansing in the morning. However, if your skin is okay and not sensitive, you could always use toner after cleansing. You would want a fresh feeling face in the morning, so try to stay away from toners with thick consistencies. Especially if you have combination skin, try using a lightweight toner that you can layer as much as you want. For toner step, apply it all over your face, but you could always apply extra on areas that you feel dry. Rather than swiping or rubbing away with the cotton pads, use gentle wiping motions or dabbing motions.
And also for serum, I do the same thing with my cleansing foam. This time the opposite though, so I put the serum on only my dry parts. I usually don't put it around my nose because that's again where it gets very oily. So I like to go around my mouth and around my eyes like a spot treatment.
Again, such a good job, Iris. I give you a big thumbs up. Now, many of you teens might not be familiar with the serum step unless you're a skincare guru. When you hear the word serum, it might seem like a little too much for the skin. But if you think of it as a step to add deep hydration to the skin, it could get simpler. If you don't feel like adding a separate product for serum, then you could just simply add more layers of toner on your face until your face feels hydrated. But if you want to go that extra step, you could use a lightweight serum that is soothing and cooling on the skin. And all you need is a very thin layer. After you apply it on your face, cover your face with the palm of your hands and let everything sink in. And for this step as well, of course, try to focus on areas that gets drier throughout the day.
I love using sheet mask in the morning. It's not what people do very common because they think of sheet mask before you sleep, but I love to do it in the morning because it leaves a perfect base for my makeup.
Iris, I'm gonna give you a pat on the back. Come over here. Now, it's not easy to use a sheet mask throughout the day, but if you woke up that extra little bit early in the morning or even in the weekend morning time, try to pamper your skin with an extra special sheet mask for your face. Surprisingly, this actually helps boost hydration on the skin by a lot. We actually have a whole video dedicated to sheet masks on Teen Beauty Bible, so if you haven't checked that out already, please go see it. Once you're done with the suggested time of the sheet mask, gently absorb everything in and you can even start caring for your neck. If you don't have any sheet masks at home, you could just simply replace it with cotton pads and toner. If you have combination skin, you could just apply some toner on a cotton pad and apply it on areas that you feel dry and leave it as you would a sheet mask.
I stick with lighter creams in the morning because I don't want my skin breaking down during the day. And especially if I'm going to be wearing makeup, lighter creams prevent my makeup from smearing around the face.
Iris, good job! Especially now that the weather is getting colder and drier, you really need to focus on moisturization. Use a lightweight cream to lock all that moisture in. A tip is, rather than applying cream right after the steps before, let everything sink in and soak in and then apply the cream. This will not only make application easier, but it'll also make hydration more effective. If you haven't watched our recent video on moisturization, you could also check that out for further tips.
I like to find a sunscreen that isn't very greasy because with or without makeup, I want to feel like my skin isn't slipping or sliding. And especially those sunscreens that leave a very nice base is going to give you an extra upgrade on your makeup because it's going to make your skin feel much more mochi-like.
Good job, Iris! Good job! Good job! I'm running out of ways to compliment her. Good job! So it's very nice to hear that you are aware and you're already using sunscreen, Iris. For morning routine, as much as I understand that you just want to get into all that makeup, it is really important to add that protective layer of sunscreen on your skin for healthy skin. Not just any sunscreen, but it is important to find the sunscreen that will work on your skin. If you have combination skin, it is important to leave your skin feeling fresh and hydrated, so use a light sunscreen. Many of our teens ask us, what is the good amount of sunscreen to apply on the face? We've actually mentioned this on Teen Beauty Bible before, but like I said, 2 joints of your index finger would be a good start off for the morning routine.
It was so fun and I was really excited throughout the day, but I think it was worth it being here. Thank you for having me today, Teen Beauty Bible. And I'm so glad that I got to share my tips and tricks for you guys. And I hope all teens, my age, younger or older, learn a way to take care of their skin and enjoy the process so it wouldn't feel like an assignment to do. Thank you for having me today. And if you enjoyed the video and enjoyed me today, please like, comment, and subscribe to Wishtrend TV for more interesting videos. Bye bye! See you next time!
So thank you guys for watching another episode of Teen Beauty Bible. It was Kasper with you guys today, and if you guys have other skincare requests, then please leave them down below. I will be there to suffice all your teen beauty needs. And remember, you're beautiful just as you are. Bye!